Hello, I'm John Harrigan with the Secret to Immortality podcast. Today we're going to bless our body with wisdom, strength, and love. Wisdom, strength, and love. Before we get going, relax. Be calm. Tell your body to relax. Tell your body to be calm with gentle, easy instructions. Relaxing is critical to everything we teach at immortalnow.com and on this podcast. So find a place where you can get calm, relaxed, close your eyes, have a seat, feet flat on the floor. This is for a circuit, an energetic connection to the earth. Close your eyes as we prepare for this meditation, as we prepare to bless our body. Close your eyes and visualize a ruby red arc going from the tip of your nose, curving out 3 to 4 inches into your heart. So it's eyes to nose, nose to heart, in a ruby red arc that curves out just a little bit and then goes back into your heart. Eyes closed, feet flat on the ground. Eyes closed, visualize from the tip of your nose a ruby red arc going out 3 to 4 inches into your heart. Eyes to nose, nose to heart, in a ruby red arc. Not controlling your breath, but observing it. It doesn't matter how you're breathing, just observe your breath. How is your breathing? And as you observe your breath, you don't have to control it at all. Your body naturally knows how to breathe the perfect breath, the breath for immortality. One more step in everything we do. We're observing our breath. We're allowing our body to breathe an immortal breath, a breath that expresses our soul into this physicality that we have, into our body. We are breathing in and out an immortal physical life. Eyes to nose, nose to heart in a ruby red arc. Eyes to nose, nose to heart. You don't have to keep observing your breath. Just observe it for a little bit, a few breaths now and then. Relax, be natural. Improvise a little bit. And why do I say that? It's important that you add yourself a bit, your good, strong, immortal self a bit to everything we do at immortalnow.com, to everything we do at this podcast with the Secret to Immortality. Improvise a little bit. How many breaths does it feel right to you to observe? How many breaths? Maybe 3, maybe 4. Maybe you're going to sit down and observe your breath and only do that for 5 minutes. Your mind will wander, just bring it back. But for the purposes of these exercises and what I teach, you don't need to observe your breath for long. Your body and brain just needs to know that it has permission to breathe the perfect breath from the immortal you. Eyes shut from the tip of your nose, curving into your heart. Let your attention flow down your body to your feet that are flat on the floor. Visualize yourself rooted deeply into the earth, maybe 12 feet like the roots of a tree. Eyes to nose, nose to heart, feet to ground. Eyes to nose, nose to heart, feet to ground. Relaxed, at peace. We've let go of all our stress, all our fear, all our insecurity, all our anger, all our frustration. We've let it go. It has left our body. It has left our physical brain. We're at peace, our soul alive in our body, joyous, happy, and free. Joyous, happy, and free. We're feeling good. Feel goodness in your hands, in your arms physically. Feel goodness in your throat, in your chest, in your belly, in your legs, your feet. Feel a pleasure, a physical pleasure that's you, that's your body and all of you. So relaxed, at peace. Eyes to nose, nose to heart, feet to ground. feeling better with every breath. Eyes to nose, nose to heart, feet to ground, the immortal and perfect you. Physically, the immortal and perfect you, a body that's a blessing, a body that feels good, no matter what's your health, no matter what's going wrong or right, a body that's feeling good, a body that's a blessing in your body, a body that's a blessing of wisdom, strength, and love. Wisdom, strength, and love in your body, as your body, who you really are. Knowledge, you have all the knowledge and information you'll ever need when you need it. All the knowledge, all the wisdom is in your body, in your brain, exists as you. When you need it, you don't have to have all the wisdom in the universe this second. You don't have to work to connect to it. Just understand that a healthy, freely flowing body, your consciousness, your soul, all of that has all the wisdom, all the accurate, all the good, all the important intelligence when we need it. When we need it. Bless your body with wisdom, strength, and love. Say after me, I bless my body in wisdom, strength, and love. I love who I am. I am my body. I am my heart. I am my soul alive in this world physically. Mindfulness for immortality physically. Step 1 of the 3 steps of the secret to immortality. Mindfulness for immortality. We are physically here. Our soul is physical. Don't run from your physicality. Don't plan on ditching it at the end of a quote natural life. Mindfulness is owning your body as you, as your consciousness in the world. Your body is unlimited in all that it can do, all that it can provide, as it is connected to all of life, as your body is connected within you. Bless your body. I bless my body with wisdom, strength, and love. I bless my body with wisdom, strength, and love. Repeat. I bless my body with wisdom, strength, and love. At peace, in balance within me. You're repeating this. At peace and balance within me, my blessed body, at peace and in balance, belonging to the physical world. My physical body belongs to this eternal planet. This eternal planet. Don't think about whether that makes rational sense. The eternal planet. The eternal planet. There is a soul, a consciousness, a blessed reality, whatever you want to call it. Names aren't important. The names to anything that I say or use, those aren't like absolute truths, absolutely important. No words on earth have ever been that or could ever sustain or hold an absolute truth. The absolute truth, which is the reality of you, can't really be spoken, but we can get close to it with our words. We can lead ourselves to the beauty, to the strength, to the blessedness of our body. We can lead ourselves to that, but none of the words really suffice. At some point, and I suggest do it with me today, you let go of the words and you simply experience who you are. As we experience our deep soul alive and balanced physically here, it's pleasurable, it's a blessing, it's a blessed, strong reality of compassion, strength, and love, of goodness, of happiness and grace. We experience ourselves with goodness, grace, and love. We bless our bodies with wisdom, strength, and hope. All of you is good. All of who we are is good, wonderful, kind, and belongs on this earth. Mindfulness for immortality. Eyes to nose, nose to heart, feet to ground. Relax, observe your breath. Eyes to nose, nose to heart, feet to ground. I let go of all my stress. I let go of all the harm that has ever harmed me, that ever will. I let go. By letting go of harm, resentment, and bad feelings, by letting go, we become a true strength. By relaxing in our body, relaxing into love, into compassion, into wisdom, we become more and more impervious to harm. True strength isn't a brute He-Man super force. True strength is being who you really are. When we're who we really are, we combine. We're in balance with ourselves, with all the world. And accident, death, and disease become less and less of who we are, our bodies, our minds. I'm not perfect in my health. I may never be for a long time, but I've made extraordinary progress, and you can read about that in the blog section at immortalnow.com. To the right column of the page that says Essential Articles. But we are here right now in this guided meditation, in this activation of our beauty, of our strength and our love, our beauty, our strength and our love in your body, in your soul, alive in the world right now. Eyes closed to the tip of your nose, nose to heart in a ruby red arc, feet on the ground. We bless our body together with me right now. Bless your body. Bless your body with everyone that hears this podcast episode. Right now with me, this instant, this second, we bless our body with wisdom, strength, and love. Happiness, hope, and joy. We're alive at peace. Feeling bliss, feeling happiness, grounded, belonging where we are on this earth. A body with wisdom, strength, and love. Bless your body. With me, with all the world. Bless yourself with wisdom, strength, and love. With peace, relaxation, and joy. Deep peace, deep calm, every second of the day, as impossible as that is. Peace, relaxation, and calm. Go to your peace, go to your relaxation, go to your calm throughout the day. Get steady, get balanced. There's a part of you, the perfect part of you can access right now with me if you're not already doing it. This part of who you are physically is in balance. Is calm, is joyful, is happy and at peace. We suggest strongly, and we're slowly or quickly going to be teaching you to not dissociate. Dissociation leads us to being fractured. It takes our energies in a multitude of different directions. With the secret to immortality, we're focusing on the here and now in this infinite moment. In this timeless moment, physically. We're not physically planning to die. We're not accepting death. We're not turning away from our bodies as corrupt or incapable. We're suggesting that your bodies are everything perfect, everything good, everything infinite. Blessed by God if you're religious, blessed by your deep self if you're not. But bless nonetheless. Bless your body, your mind. Let go of your stress. Bless and bless again as you and I become a blessing this instant, this here and now. When this meditation is over, we take that blessing, that physicality into the world. You can't really feel yourself if you're not owning your physicality in the moment. The physical you that is a constant blessing, a constant ease, a constant strength in its compassion, in its love and goodness. We only have real strength, real impervious to harm presence. We only really have that strength that we all need and want. We pursue it in sometimes strange and dissociated ways. You have all the infinite strength you need right now as who you are physically in this moment. Physically in this moment. Mindfulness for immortality right now. A blessing alive. We no longer in this exercise initiate any blessing. We just exist and live in the physical blessing, in this self, the real you and me. It's physical. Don't pull away from it. Pull into your body. That's where you'll find your immortal core, your eternal being, into your body. Not into your head, not into a heaven, not into a nirvana that isn't quite here. Heaven is here right now in its physicality as who we are, as who and what we are. Heaven is here right now in all of its grace and goodness. Nirvana, happiness, bliss, pleasure and goodness is physically here, grounded, alive, and strong as you and I are this moment, blessing our bodies with wisdom, strength, and love. Wisdom, strength, and love. We go from blessing to we are wisdom, strength, and love. This moment, we are wisdom, strength, and love. I am, with all the world, with all of humanity, I am wisdom, strength, and love. There are no superheroes, there have never been. That's a dissociated idea that comes from trauma, I would suggest. We all are here perfectly now, as our eternal selves, as who we are. There's nothing more we need, nothing more we have to do to be complete and whole, as me and you with wisdom, strength, and love. Bless you and keep you. That's all for today.